Nyabo yabachi.
What happened?
Yabachi.
What happened to her?
Wanje?
Yatabuka ko omutwe.
Oyogera mpula sikulira.
Speak louder.
Yatabuka omutwe.
Muchuse microphone.
She went mad.
Kati bamukwateko side eyo kuyogere.
Let them support you with her.
Mute.
Help her. Let her pray.
Yatabuka omutwe. Yatabuka omutwe.
She ran mad.
How did she begin?
Yatandika kulwala musujja, bwe yalwala omusujja bagenda okulaba nga atabusa omutwe. Eyo gye yali afumbiddwa e Masaka.
It began.
I've not got it clearly. Speak louder. Because
omulwadde ono yatabuka omutwe, eyo gye yali afumbiddwa e Masaka. Kati bwe yatabuka omutwe, maama we nampita, oyo mukulu wange nampita, jangu tugende tulabe muwala waffe. Muwala waffe atabusa omutwe. Akati kwe kukola kikwe munonayo ne tumuleeta waka. Omulwadde ono ng'ali akataasa k'emmere kalamba. Kaakati bwe yava ku mmere n'atandika ebikajjo. Ono ebikajjo bwe bulamu bwe. Nga tomuwadde ebikajjo teri bulamu. Aba ayagala tulya buli.
Obulamu bw'ebikajjo.
Bikajjo byokka byokka. Era twaze ng'ali ebikajjo.
Bw'okimuggyako.
And was taken away from her.
Kukuba bukubi.
Gundi munzigireko ekikajjo.
Take that.
Mute gwe. Obulamu bw'ekikajjo.
She survives on sugar cane.
Ne maama wa mutya. Ne maama wa mutya tamukwatako.
Loose. Ekikajjo. Kikajjo tayagala mukwatira ku kikajjo.
The trouble is with the sugar cane.
N'ekyo wansi akirondawo.
She even picks them. The pills. She picks the pills and resacks them.
So this is what happened to her. As she was in Masaka, where she got married from, she all of a sudden ran mad. Thereafter, the sister was called. She went.
Chani.
Muwe ekikajjo kye. Mutegwe bamukwasa ekikajjo.
I'm telling you.
Kyukira onongende naye ensi erina ebizibu.
Tell your neighbor and say this world has problems.
Okisanga Kawala.
You find it here at Kawala. Only here. Hey. What is it you cannot forget in your life?
Miracle moment.
Yes, she's speaking. Takola loss. She doesn't want to lose it, not even a bit of it. So
kamutunuzeemu empeta ya Mukama. Gamba empeta ya Mukama ekole.
Let the ring of the Lord work.
Gamba empeta ya Mukama ekole.
Let the ring of the Lord work.
Gamba ekole.
Let it work.
Mutunuzaamu empeta.
I face this ring into her.
Mutunuzaamu empeta.
I face this ring into her.
Mutunuzaamu empeta.
I face this ring into her.
Mumala amaanyi.
I weaken her.
Mumala amaanyi.
I weaken you, demon. By the witchcraft
gye bamukolera mu bufumbo bwe.
That was done in her marriage. Go. Genda.
In the name of Jesus Christ.
Mulinnya Yesu Kristo.
Mulagira okwebaka.
I command her to sleep.
Mulagira okwebaka.
I command her to sleep. I put the string on her. And I command her to fall asleep.
For 5 minutes.
Let me take her from normality. Now the ring has started even changing her color, her normal color. She's now kind of abnormal. The eyes are like for the dead. Look at her lips with her sugar. They are even tanned because of eating a lot of sugar cane. Look at how the sugar cane had cut her mouth. It's all bloody. They were all swollen because of eating that sugar cane a lot. The witchcraft was done because the Lord chose me this witchcraft through the ring. It was done by the relations of her husband because they never wished her to be with her husband. They never wanted her to be in that home. But Jesus is our fellow. Jesus is on our side.
Now,
Kakati. Now I bring her back to life. Young lady. Normalize. Normalize. Normalize.
Come back.
Come on. Yes.
Wanji. Memory komao kati.
Yes, she's now regaining her memory slowly.
Katulabo b'ekikajja n'akirya.
Let's see whether she'll eat the sugar cane.
Yegwe munange Yesu.
Yegwe munange. Afuka munange.
Jimuka.
Yegwe munange.
Yegwe munange.
Yegwe munange. Yafuka munange. Yesu yegwe munange. Ita munange. Yesu yegwe
mumubuuze bye mwagala mulabe bw'aba
Ask her what you
ategeera.
want. Microphone. Ask her what you want.
Otegeera? Sime Aneti. Tatu sime Aneti.
Aha, ate ono. Omubuuze.
Nanyazi Joyce.
She can recognize both of them.
Kituufu ke Nanyazi Joyce?
Alisobezza.
Kati mumugezese bye mwagala byonna.
You try her. Ask her.
Kati gwe mugambe.
Mama oyani. Joyce.
Gwe nabatanzi Joyce? Kati enti mumugambe mumukozese bye mwagala dda wali omuyita.
Now make her do what you want with her.
Dda wali omuyite. Aje.
Go aside. Call her to see whether she can come.
Kobsi. Down.
She can respond to the
Gwe
call.
munange.
Yegwe munange.
Yesu gwe munange. Abakubira dansi. Muzindire Yesu. Balino tebanakubuuza. Bali mumubuuza.
Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yesu yegwe munange. Wafuka munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Bese baba tuteyo. Yegwe munange. Sebere marage munange. Yegwe munange. Kita munange. Yegwe munange. Yafuka munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yafuka munange. Yegwe munange. Bese baba tuteyo. Yegwe munange. Sebere marage munange. Yegwe munange. Bamuyita munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yona munange. Yegwe munange. Yona kose byamanyi. Yegwe munange. Yesu yegwe munange. Yesu yegwe munange. Yansumulule mundwadde. Yegwe munange. Yesu oli w'amaanyi. Yesu yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yona munange.
Yimba.
Yesu yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yesu yegwe munange. Yesu yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yesu yegwe munange. Basaba batutendo. Yegwe munange. Abasirikale batutendo. Yegwe munange. Musembele balake munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yesu yegwe munange. Abadeka buye munange. Yegwe munange. Bajabukulake munange. Yesu yegwe munange. Abada fuleti munange. Yegwe munange. Bajakulake munange. Yesu yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Sekuyita munange. Yesu yegwe munange. Kusubayika naye munange. Kubanga Yesu we ye munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange. Yegwe munange.
Yesu angalesa amaanyi.
Glory to Jesus.
Tosubwa.
Don't miss.
Ennaku z'omwezi nga 7.
Don't miss on the 7th of December.
Mu mwezi ogw'Ekumi
At the next month.
wiiki esooka
7th December, the first
olunaku
week.
lugenda kuba lwakuna.
It's gonna be a Thursday.
Empeta y'omulundi guno
The ring of this time around
egenda kuba ya njawulo
is
nnyo.
going to be totally different.
N'eyatwala empeta jangu
And
weeyongeza
whoever
empeta
took a
eno.
ring, you are free to come and take another.
Oli otya?
How are you?
Oli
How are you
otya?
doing?
Gyendi ssebo.
Wow.
Mmanyi?
Do you know me?
Nedda.
No, I don't.
Bambi amannya go.
What's your name?
Olina abaana
How many
bameka?
children do you have?
Nina omwana omu.
I have one
Mwana
child.
omu. Bambi obadde omanya ebikuliko?
Did you know what was going on in your life?
Nedda.
No, I have no idea.
Kati webaza Yesu.
So, you,
Bano bakubuulidde ekikubaddeko?
have they told you what had happened to you?
Baŋŋambye nali nagwa eddalu.
They've told me I went mad.
Kale genda webaze Mukama.
You go. Thank
Why?
God forever.
Nsumba tweyanze ekitiibwa n'ettendo kikuddire kuba abadde
Eri babagamba nti
tamanyi.
mufukamirangako.
They are saying we are in Buganda.
Aha.
You kneel down
Wanji.
a little bit.
Mulekawo wangi.
Sumba tweyanzege omulwadde ono abadde ambuuza tuli ludda wa era mbadde ki wedda bwambuuza naye kati ndaba ateredde naye tweyanzege ekitindo n'ettendo kikuddire.
What do you have to say, lady?
She's
so grateful. Go show yourselves to the people.
The
mighty hand clap to Jesus. Whatever you see as troublesome in your life, Jesus the Nazarene is going to solve it.
Do not worry.
Don't worry. Because the Lord is here for you.